All right, guys, Pear Deck, you asked for it, you got it. It's a 60-second. How do I get a co-teacher in there? It's stupid easy. So let's get going. 60 seconds. Okay, so if Pear Deck's not enabled, enable Pear Deck. Once you have your slide presentation ready to go, you're going to start the lesson, and you are going to start it in instructor paste mode. Once your Pear Deck is live and running for the students, you can see your students in here. I had switched this into student paste mode, but when the students answer, it's going to show me their responses on screen. And then if I want to go engage, invite co-teacher, it's going to give me a code. Copy that code, send it out to the teacher, and then they can come in and manage the work of the students, the comments, if a student asks a question, or wherever students happen to be, if a student is stuck, and move them on. So it's just that simple, that you have a lesson, turn Pear Deck on, start the lesson, whether you switch to student paste mode or not, and then just click invite a co-teacher, send them the link, and you're good to go. Hey, I hope that was helpful for you on Pear Deck and how to get a co-teacher in with you. There's a full tutorial that isn't a whole lot longer than this one right up there, but also a playlist on all sorts of things Pear Deck. So if you caught this video but you have no idea what Pear Deck is, how you could use it to remotely teach and make you even more awesome, check out that whole playlist up there. We hope that it helps you kick some class, and we'll check you next time.